Hello, good morning. I have assigned to comment this HTML tag. So here's the first HTML. So in here I have suggest to use a transitional doc type because transitional doc type has the ability to support HTML5 features. So that's it. So also in here I have advice to use the proper naming convention, because in here give uses rounded dash ages, and also in here you don't separate the two words. So I advise to use the proper naming conventions. For example is this the navigation underscore bar, and also it must be consistent for readability and also for the readability. So in here you use p element. So I suggest also that you can use the div tag, because it's for to hold elements. It is the best way to use div rather than the p tag. So example, in your CSS you can do this. For example, the ID name of your div tag, space the child element name. The child element name is this is the parent, or the upper element, and also before behind it is it is the child element. The child element name, for example, navigation bar space the child element name. For example, in here we use p, or I've said before that you can use div. ID name space the ID name ID. So for that in your case, so we go to the next. So also in here you can use the proper naming convention for readability. So also in here you use p tag rather than div, and also in here you don't use br tag for styling, because like what our mentor said, that it's not best to use br tag. Instead use CSS margins for styling. Also in here you can use h5 tag. Also you don't use br tag. Also in here you have the hanging text, no hanging text like what our mentor said before. So let's go to the next HTML. Also here, like what Kuya Jan said to me, that it is better to use the transitional doc type because it can support the HTML5 features. In here you use the inline styling. Don't use inline styling because your code in styling must be in your CSS file. Also here you use inline styling, and here you use inline styling. Also here, so it's not good proper coding. Also here you use inline styling. That's all. So let's go to the next. Oops. Also here you must use transitional block type. Here you use line styling. Here you use table for styling. It is not the best way to code for styling for using a table for styling, because table is used for displaying records only. Also here use line styling. Also in here, yeah, line styling. Also in here use line styling. Okay, let's go to the next HTML tag. The HTML document, I should say. Here you've used div id box. I've seen in the next element div that you use also div id box. ID and class has different, yeah, for repetitive you can use class rather than ID for repetitive styling. Also in here it uses inline styling. Don't use inline styling. Also in here he uses table for styling. It must not be used for styling table tag, because like what I've said before, it is used for displaying data, like what our mentor said also to us as their students. Also in here line styling. Here he uses br tag, because br tag is not used for styling. And here he uses table for tables. It is not proper way to do for styling. So that's all. So we go to the next HTML document, HTML. So in here he don't indent his code, so I suggest that he must indent his code for readability. So, and also in here it's too crowded. I suggest that he must use space for the group, or for the Also here uses br tag also in here. So in here I've seen that he have an error for its naming. It must be the bracket must be in the it must be enclosed with the code. Yeah, so in here it's just also br for styling. It's an error. Let's go to the next, the last one. Here he uses inline styling for HR. You must not use it, because by default HR or the elements are aligned left. Because he uses aligned left here. Also he uses table. Table is not used for styling, like what I said. He uses br here, br tag. So in here I can suggest that he must use loop in here for displaying this, because for shorter line of code. So for this, he can use this this code for yeah. Example. Also in here uses BR. Yeah. That's all. Thank you.